Hello, Namaste, Jai Sainaran. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe is so simple and easy to make. You can give this recipe to your kids' lunch also. Nowadays, kids don't like to have khichdi and all. So yeah, we're using the same ingredients to make this delicious recipe. Okay, so let's start. For that, you will need a 1 cup rice, half cup split moong dal. Wash it and soak it for about 1 hour. Then grind it to make a paste like dosa batter and keep aside for another 2 hours for ferment. I'm making a 2 types batter. In other batter, just add ginger, chili and spinach to make it more healthier way. Now, after 2 hours, add salt and mix it well. And now spread this batter in a hot tawa and spread some oil all over it. And cook it until crispy from both sides. And yeah, delicious dosa, pudla, chila, whatever you call, is ready. Serve with chutney, achar or curd. Hope you like it and don't forget to like, share and comment. Till then, see you soon. Bye. Annyeong. Follow all process as you can see. I will share the spinach batter recipe on my next video, so don't forget to watch that.